If you like my dotting design, here is everything you need to know to create your own. Dotting in real life is a slow, relaxing and meditative process. So in this video, I will provide a quick and easy step-by-step guide. Please pause at any moment and take your time to complete each step. For this project, we need some black art paper or black canvas. Paints we need true blue, sapphire, splendid gold, champagne gold, pearl white. Optional paints we may need are black to correct any mistakes and any shiny and sparkling paints to enhance our dots like enchanted blue and silver illusion. Also, we need some dotting tools ranging from 1 to 15 millimeters in diameter. We need some small containers with the lids and a couple of small brushes. First, we need to divide a circle into 24 equal parts. Please watch this video for more details, or here is a quick summary. Connect corner to corner, middle to middle, draw a large circle, using the same radius left and right, connect all the dots. Also, I like to draw more circles to keep our design symmetrical. We start with the true blue, using the largest tool number 15. I like my dots fat and outstanding, so I always add some more paint on top. Tool number 3, sapphire, dots around. Number 4, true blue, dots around. Number 8, dots around. Number 3, pearl white, 1 dot on top. Number 8, 1 dot. Number 3, dots around. Number 10, sapphire, 1 dot. Number 5, splendid gold, 2 dots. Now, using tool number 1, drag it while the paint is still wet. Number 4, 4 dots. Number 1, a few dots. Number 1, true blue, 3 dots on each side. Number 12, 1 dot. Number 5, pearl white, 1 dot, and using tool number 1 to drag it. Number 1, sapphire, dots around. Number 4, true blue, dots around. Number 4, pearl white, 1 dot. Number 5, true blue, 1 dot. Number 4, 2 dots. Number 3, taper. Number 5, pearl white, 1 dot, and tool number 1 to drag it. Number 4, 2 dots. Number 3, taper. Number 5, sapphire, 5 dots around, and tool number 1 to drag it towards the center, aiming for a flower shape. Number 1, pearl white, 1 small dot in the center. Number 12, splendid gold, 1 dot. Number 1, champagne gold, dots around. Number 6, splendid gold, 1 dot, and using tool number 1 to drag it. Number 1, 3 dots. Number 5, 2 dots. Number 4, dots around. Number 5, pearl white, 1 dot. Number 4, 2 dots. Number 3, taper. Number 6, splendid gold, 1 dot. Number 5, 2 dots. Number 4, 2 dots. Number 3, taper. Moving on to the corners. Tool number 12, true blue, 1 dot. Number 6, 2 dots. Tool number 1, drag it. And 3 small dots. And now it's my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. We need our optional bright and shiny paints. We use smaller size tools to do little touch-ups on the top. It brings up the color and adds more texture, definition, and vibrancy. And some final cleanups using black paint and a small brush. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous dotting painting with me and had a good time. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and enjoy more dotting projects together in my next video.